Hi there. My name's Dan Capron. I'm an attorney. I'm here to talk to you about workers' compensation. And the first thing that you got to ask yourself is, what is it? What is workers' compensation? Well, in the simplest terms, it's a law. All 50 states have workers' compensation laws. Illinois is distinct from all the other states. There are many similarities, but each state's workers' compensation law is different. Basically what it means is if you get hurt at work, if you have an injury that's work-related, you're entitled to a series of benefits regardless of fault. If your employer accuses you of being negligent or careless or not following a work rule, that's not a defense. As long as you're doing your job, if you get hurt, you're entitled to the benefits of this workers' compensation law. Well, what are those benefits? They basically fall into three categories. The first category is medical expenses. If you get hurt at work, you're entitled to have your medical bills paid. The second category is lost time from work. If the accident is serious enough that it causes you to have to lose time from work, you're entitled to an income stream. Now, it's not full salary, unfortunately, but you are entitled to get 2/3 of your average weekly wage tax-free for as long as you have to be off work on account of the accident. And then the third and final benefit of workers' compensation is one that really can't be determined until you get to the end of your medical treatment. And when that day comes, when your doctor looks you in the eye and says, "You don't have to come back and see me anymore, I've done for you all that I can," at that point in time, if you have any residual continuing problems attributable to the accident, you're entitled to receive an additional sum of money. And that sum of money, which usually comes by way of a settlement or an arbitration award, is designed to compensate you for the fact that you now have to go through, presumably the rest of your life, with certain deficits or disabilities. These don't have to be serious enough to keep you off work or to require medical treatment, but if you're merely symptomatic from that accident at the conclusion of your medical treatment, you're going to be entitled to that settlement. So, medical bills, lost time, a settlement at the end, in the broadest terms, that's what workers' compensation is all about. Obviously, there's a lot more that's in there, but if you want to understand in the most general terms what it is, there you have it.